everybody, Jose Heredia with American DJ, taking a first look at some of the brand new products at NAMM 2014, like this Inno Pocket Spot. As you can see, it's a really small, tiny little light, but it's full of features. For instance, it's got a 10-watt white LED with a color wheel, a gobo wheel, and you guys remember the UC3 remotes? Well, we're going to do away with that with this product. We have this awesome remote that is optional that allows you to control the lights. For instance, we have these two connected together via DMX cable, and now we can go ahead and control the lights using this small little remote. For instance, we could go ahead and hit this button to go into standby mode. Or now the show is going to resume, we could go ahead and hit the standby mode. The show continues and you have selectable shows that you can go into. Or let's just say that you're doing a wedding and now the first dance is going to come on and you need something a little bit more subtle. So instead of doing the auto show mode for sound active, I'm going to turn off the sound active mode. And now it's going to go ahead and do the same show but without the sound active. And it's a little bit more subtle effect, very cool for transitioning into different parts of the scene. And now that our first dance is over, we can go ahead into the party mode and continue with the party. So this is really cool. Coming out in April, it's the Inno Pocket Spot by American DJ.